So you are given a function f of x is 3 over x. You need to evaluate the difference quotient f of x plus h minus f of x over h. This is an expression, and then we have to write this one as a over x times x plus h. So let us see how we can do it. So first of all, you determine what is f of x plus h. It's a very simple idea. X plus h is 3 over x plus h. And then let us simplify the top, which is f of x plus h minus f of x. So we basically have 3 over, because we have the function 3 over x. So I replace my x by x plus h minus f of x is already 3 over x. And this one is a very simple idea. We have mentioned it many times, that is just like you are subtracting one fraction from another. So then you can multiply denominator, which is x plus h times x. You can write on this side or on the left side, doesn't matter. And then we cross multiply. So we get a 3x in here minus 3 times x plus h. Now if you further simplify, it is very simple. Just distribute the negative sign and you'll say 3x and this negative 3x will cancel out. You end up in the top as 3h over x times x plus h. So that is my numerator in this. So I'm going to plug this value here. So I'm getting in the top, it's negative 3h over x times x plus h, and you have another h, you can put it here, it's okay. So then this h will cancel out. So now look at the final version of this. How does it look like? If you simplify further, you get negative 3 over x times x plus h. Now if you compare these two together, you can clearly see that your a is negative 3. Now we have further to do. So next we know that f prime x is this difference quotient when we take limit h approaches 0. So then this one you have seen already. We have limit h approaches 0, negative 3 over x times x plus h. So this one now you can keep your negative 3 and replace your h by 0. So you get x times x plus 0. So your answer is negative 3 over x squared. So this one we are looking for, which is actually the derivative of the function, which is 3 over x. Now we may ask you a couple of other questions. So let me summarize what we have got so far. We are given a function f of x is 3 over x. Then we have evaluated the difference quotient, and our result came out like negative 3 over x times x plus h. When you compare with the given a over x times x plus h, from the matching concept we can say our a is negative 3. And then we have used the limit definition of derivative f prime x. After all this simplification, we have found negative 3 over x squared. Now we are asking a couple of other questions. So that I'm saying, what is f prime 0? If you say f prime 0, it looks like this. That means does not exist. You cannot have 0 in the denominator. So the derivative of this function does not exist at 0. Next, f prime negative 1. So f prime negative 1 will be negative 3 over negative 1 squared. So you get just 3, negative 3. And you can do some more. All right, I hope this will help you to understand similar type problems. Thanks.